Hi, this is Mark Besser of Besser Healthcare. In this video, I will discuss where you can get tested for sexually transmitted diseases or STDs by providing only a small urine or blood sample, no swabbing, and our recommendation on how and where you can get tested. Either you want to know for sure if you are STD-free or if you think you have an STD, with fast, affordable, and 100% discreet or confidential testing. Sexually transmitted diseases or STDs and infections are common, especially among young people between ages 15 and 24. Account for a quarter of the U.S. population who has sex, but this age group makes up half of all STD cases in America. Many of these individuals do not know what STD testing entails or that they can get tested for STDs by providing a small urine or blood sample. Blood and urine STD tests are just as accurate as swabs, so many people are turning to STDCheck for STD testing. STDCheck is a recommended STD screening company that provides fast, affordable, and 100% discreet or confidential testing. All of their STD tests can be performed via urine or blood sample. In fact, most STD tests take only a few minutes to complete. You can find the website link in the description below this video, or go to bessercare.com/STDCheck. Many people become infected with STDs because they simply do not know how to prevent and avoid contracting them. Did you know that some STDs, like Chlamydia and Gonorrhea, can remain in the body for weeks, months, and even years without showing symptoms? You can pass it along to your partner without ever realizing you have the infection yourself. That is why it is important to get tested for STDs even if you are not showing any symptoms. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, recommends that all sexually active young adults, ages 15 to 24, get tested at least once a year for HIV, syphilis, chlamydia, and gonorrhea. Regardless of age, if you are sexually active, it is important that you get tested for STDs on a regular basis. Testing for STDs using urine or blood samples. While there is a misconception that getting tested for STDs is an extensive and uncomfortable process, the tests done at most CLIA-certified testing centers are both simple and non-invasive. To test for chlamydia and gonorrhea, for instance, all that is required is a urine sample. For other STDs like herpes, hepatitis, HIV, and syphilis, a small blood sample is all the STD testing center requires. Many doctors' offices will test for STDs by doing an invasive and sometimes painful swab. STDCheck does not. Swabbing is unnecessary in today's medical world. Their same-day STD testing centers have simplified STD testing and only require about 5 minutes to complete the test. Once you order your tests online, which do not need an appointment, you then visit your local testing center, and you will receive your results in 1 to 2 days. One of the biggest issues with testing for STDs is deciding which test is right for you. The truth is that in most instances, if you are positive for one STD, you may have contracted other infections as well, since the behavior that puts you at risk for one sexually transmitted infection puts you at risk for all sexually transmitted infection. For example, chlamydia and gonorrhea are known as twin infections because they tend to occur together, so it is best to test for both at the same time. STDCheck has also simplified the decision by allowing you to easily test for a broad spectrum of STDs through their 10-panel test. This STD panel tests for 10 of the most common STDs, including chlamydia, syphilis, hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, gonorrhea, HIV-1, HIV-2, oral herpes, and genital herpes. The 10-test panel takes the guesswork out of STD testing. And now, on to our recommended STD screening company. Click the website link listed in the description below this video to see the list of their test centers in your area with the discount coupon. Or go to bessercare.com/STDCheck. Our recommended STD screening company makes getting tested for STDs a simple and convenient process in just 3 steps. Step 1. Order their STD 10-test panel or individual tests online or by phone. Step 2. Choose one of their 4,500 test centers nationwide. Testing only takes minutes. Step 3. Your test results are delivered in your online account within 1 to 2 days. The entire process is fast, affordable, and 100% discreet or confidential. Remember, either you want to know for sure if you are STD-free, or if you think you have an STD, you need to get tested as soon as possible. Don't delay. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video or find value from it, please click the like button and let us know what you think in the comments section below. Or if you have further questions or want to share something with us in private, please feel free to reach out to us at mark@besserhealthcare.com. And if you want us to include a topic in our next videos, please let us know in the comments section below or email us. Also, subscribe to our channel and click that bell for you to be notified of our upcoming videos. See you again in our next videos. Stay safe and healthy, everyone.